Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to use mapmyrun on a treadmill. First, you'll need to have the application or the mapmyrun application. To download it, you should go to the App Store and go to the search menu, and here in the search bar search for mapmyrun application. Then you will have to download it and create an account uh, and sign up in the application. After that, all you have is to click on the application and it will open here. And here you can find all these menus. Here there is the panel of the application, and those are the application's dashboard, and this is where you choose your activity or where you track your activity. Also, you can load routes or just some have some bookmarked routes and start your run in them. To make mapmyrun detect that you are on a treadmill, all you have to do is to go to the settings of the workout, and here in the choose activity, you will choose a treadmill run. So now you can run on a treadmill while you are using the application. So when you are running with the treadmill, it will detect your running and your movements as you are uh, in a treadmill, and it will detect all your speed and your pace and every other things, other information that are the application are detecting. So this is how you run on a treadmill with Up My Run. Thank you for watching and goodbye.